So when you have this screen, I want you to click the slide, click Control A, and then delete. And then we're going to hit X here on Design Ideas, so now we have a blank slide. Because we're making a lightsaber, it's going to be a glowing thing, we're going to make the background black. Because we want it to glow. If we do this in white, then we're not going to be able to see what we're doing. So we made a black background. Remember, no matter what color lightsaber you want to make, hopefully it's still recording. No matter what color lightsaber you want to make, most of it is white, because remember the word is lightsaber. So let's do this. We're going to start with a shape, and whenever you make these shapes, make them kind of big, because you're going to save it as a picture, and when you save it as a picture, if it's bigger, at least it'll have more information, it'll have more like bits or more quality, that kind of thing. So go ahead and make it big. So we're going to do this. Insert, shape. We want rounded rectangle, because it's not quite rectangular. So there we go. We've got it this way, and we're going to take this little orange thing, and we're going to round it off on the edge like that. Then we're going to click on it, go Shape Format, and then we're going to go Shape Outline, None. So no outline. Shape Fill, we're going to go white. So there we go. Now we've got light and dark and cool. We're done. Okay, just kidding. But we've got this. Then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to duplicate it. So we're going to highlight it, push Control D. We are going to zoom out a little bit. Okay. So what we'll do here, we're going to grab the edge. We're not going to grab Shift. Normally I grab Shift when I do this kind of thing, but we're going to make it longer and also fatter. And I think, yeah, better to not be so conservative about the size of this. That's what I realized from my first take of trying to do this. Alright, so we've got this. And we're going to take this, and we're going to make this the color of lightsaber that we want. So I'm going to take the shape fill, and then I'm going to do this. I don't really like that. Let me do this. Okay, we're going to do this light blue. So we're going to make a blue lightsaber. The reason I'm going blue is because I have a blue light. So when I do the video part, that blue light is going to shine on me, because this is a cartoon. This will not shine any light on me. So I need to have a blue light shining on me to make it look like the lightsaber is shining on me. And that's just a little detail to help make things more realistic. I mean, how realistic can we get? We're talking lightsaber, but here we go. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to right click it, I'm going to send it to the back, which means it's going to go behind right here. Right? So now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to right click. We're already there in the shape format, but there's more options that we can do. No outline, shape fill, and okay, we're good. Alright, so now I'm going to do format shape to get some more options. I'm going to click the octagon, and we are going to click soft edges. We're going to soft edge this thing. Going to abuse it. See? We soft edged it, and we have this cool glowing effect. And I'm going to do the same to this. See, so I click the middle one, and I'm going to soft edge it as well. So there we go. That's the blade. Right? If it's not bladey enough for you, you can make little touch-ups to this. I'm going to take, let me see what I can do here. There. And then I'm going to take this, and I will do the same. Soft edge it some more, maybe too much. I still want to have a brightness. There we go. So, cool. Okay, I'm happy. I'm happy with this. And, let's see. I'm going to hit Control A. I'm going to hold Shift now because I want to keep the proportions. I'm going to do this. Just make it bigger. And make adjustments accordingly. do this. Maybe take this. Maybe it's a little too fat. So the outside one. See, I just clicked the outside one and I made it a little skinnier. Okay, I made it too skinny. Okay, you're not going to see what it's going to do while you're adjusting it. So just make your adjustment and then look at it and see what kind of changes happen. So just make your adjustment and let go. For me, it's a little too round. Let me narrow it up a little. And then let me take away a little bit of my 7-point soft edge. Let me unsoft edge it a little bit. There we go. Alright. Alright, this works. Alright, there's our glowing blade. And alright, this is all kind of to taste. What I would do here is, this looks a little too round at the top, so I'm going to do that. Okay, now it's a little too square, so let me move it over just a little. Okay. And that's alright, maybe I'll take this a little thinner, and then move this over like that. And then maybe make this guy slightly thinner. Slightly, okay. And I like this. Okay, good. I think this is lightsabery enough. Okay, see, tab control. Here, maybe he's holding it like crossways, right? And then it's right here. And then go that. There's our Saber. And then let's just say he's cutting something with it. So if he's cutting something with it, I'm gonna see.